Imagine a bright sunny day. Suddenly the sky blazes with light. A fiery streak tears through the atmosphere. It crashes into the Earth with unimaginable force. A shock wave circles the globe. Dust and debris darken the sky. This is not a science fiction film. This is the potential threat from a city-killer asteroid. These asteroids, capable of immense destruction, constantly move through space. They remind us of the raw power of the cosmos. They challenge us to protect our planet. But how prepared are we for this cosmic threat? Don't let the name mislead you. City-killer asteroids aren't always planet-destroying behemoths like the one that wiped out the dinosaurs. These are smaller space rocks. Think of them like a big house or even a football field across. Don't be fooled by their size. These asteroids pack a punch. If one were to hit Earth, it could wipe out an entire city. The impact would release energy thousands of times greater than the most powerful nuclear bomb. The threat of city-killer asteroids is not just theoretical. History gives us glimpses of their destructive power. In 1908, a massive explosion flattened trees in Tunguska, Siberia. The culprit? A likely airburst of an asteroid about 120 feet wide. More recently, in 2013, a smaller asteroid exploded over Chelyabinsk, Russia. The shockwave shattered windows and injured over 1,000 people. These events are stark reminders of the very real danger posed by these celestial wanderers. Thankfully, we're not sitting ducks. Around the world, scientists are constantly scanning the skies. They use powerful telescopes to search for these cosmic needles in the haystack. NASA, for instance, has its Planetary Defense Coordination Office dedicated to this very task. These modern-day guardians use sophisticated software to track asteroids. They calculate their orbits and predict their paths. The goal is to identify potential threats years, even decades in advance. Section 5. DART, our first planetary defense victory. But what happens when we find an asteroid on a collision course with Earth? Can we do anything to stop it? The answer, increasingly, is yes. In a historic mission, NASA crashed its DART spacecraft into an asteroid. The goal? To slightly nudge the asteroid's trajectory. The mission was a resounding success. DART proved that we can, in fact, alter the course of a celestial object. This was a giant leap for planetary defense. Section 6. When worlds collide, imagining the unimaginable. The thought of an asteroid hitting a city is frightening. The immediate impact would be devastating. Buildings would crumble, fires would rage, but the devastation wouldn't end there. The impact would throw millions of tons of dust and debris into the atmosphere. This could trigger widespread climate change. Temperatures could plummet, affecting agriculture and ecosystems. The long-term consequences would be felt globally, highlighting the interconnectedness of our planet. Section 7. The Cosmic Lottery. What are the odds? Now before you panic, let's talk numbers. The good news is that the odds of a large city-destroying asteroid hitting Earth are very, very small. It's like winning, or rather losing, the cosmic lottery. However, while the probability is low, it's not zero. And the consequences of such an event would be catastrophic. This uncertainty underscores the importance of continued vigilance and investment in our planetary defense systems. Section 8. The future of planetary defense, a hopeful tomorrow. Looking ahead, the future of planetary defense seems promising. Scientists are developing even more advanced technologies. These include powerful lasers and gravity tractors. These tools could one day deflect even the largest asteroids. International cooperation is also crucial. By sharing data and resources, we can create a global early warning system. After all, planetary defense is not just about protecting one nation, but about safeguarding our shared home in the vast universe.